Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, I'm Najla from class 17. In this time, I'm going to tell you a fable story about the monkey and the crocodile. In the middle of nowhere, there was a beautiful lake surrounded by lush green grasses, beautiful trees, mountains, and the sweetest jamun trees. There lived a monkey named Momo on one of jamun trees located near the lake. The lake also had a few crocodiles. There was one crocodile named Koko that used to collect the jamun fruits from the lake that fell from the tree. As Koko visits the jamun trees every day, he became friends with Momo. They met every day. Momo helped Koko by providing more and fresh jamun fruits from the tree. Their relationship continued and they became close pals. One day, Koko asked Momo to give some jamun fruits to his wife and family as the fruits were more delicious. Momo agreed and took a lot of jamun fruits. Koko's wife was so happy and surprised that she never ate so delicious fruits so far. She asked her husband, "Where you got these fruits?" Koko told her, "Oh, my friend, Momo gave them for us. He lives in a jamun tree." The Koko's wife planned something and asked her husband, "Does your friend eat these fruits every day?" Koko replies, "Yes." She added, "Oh my goodness! These are the sweetest fruits we ever ate. Imagine how delicious Momo's heart will be if he eats these fruits daily. I need the heart of your friend. Can you please bring it for me?" Koko was shocked to hear it from his wife. He replied, "But he is my friend. I can do this to him." His wife told him, "Don't worry, you bring him here. I will then take care. Or else, you may try to push him down into the water if he doesn't know swim." A long time, Koko agreed to bring Momo to his wife. The very next day, Koko invited Momo to join them for lunch and asked him for his favorite foods. Momo happily agreed to be the guest but worried that he didn't know how to swim in the lake. Koko was thinking about Momo's sorrow. Pleased Momo and told him, "Don't worry, I will carry you on my back and will take you back safely too." Momo accepted and Koko rode him to his home on his back on the water. As they reached halfway, Koko tried to push Momo down into the water. However, Momo held the crocodile tightly and didn't fall. Momo got suspicious about Koko's act and asked him to tell the truth. Since Koko believed him as his good friend, He talked about the conversation and the fight his wife had with him, and he was talking Momo to eat his heart. The brilliant Momo said, "Oh, my dear friend, you should have told me this earlier. I left my heart on one of the branches of the tree as I will not carry it if I travel long. If you take me back, I can give you my heart." Koko accepted and rode the Momo back to the lake. As they reached the tree where Momo lived, Momo climbed quickly and escaped from the crocodile. He shouted at Koko, "I thought you as a good friend, but you cheated me. I will never come back and never be your friend." Koko understood his mistake and returned home empty-handed, losing a good friend indeed. Friends, from the story, we can take a good point. We can take a lesson that we should be honest, not betray and cheat our friends and put them in a danger. We should maintain the friendship and not break it. Rasulullah Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said in hadith, "Whoever wants to expand his sustenance of rizki and lengthen his age, then continue the relationship." Narrated by Bukhari Muslim. That's all from me. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.